Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have an opening from Infosys and one from the Google to discuss. The Google opportunity is for the university graduates and with very minimal eligibility criteria. So if you're very strong in your fundamentals of computer science, then you have an opportunity in Google. Okay. So whoever getting into Google, it is not like they are very high in their graduation. That is, they are very good score. They would have scored very good in graduates. Not like that. They're average students, average graduates who just get into these kind of companies just because they are very strong in their foundation and they're very strong in their skills. Okay, so just try applying. There's nothing to lose to apply. Okay, when you apply, there's nothing to lose. Remaining things can be kept apart. So let's discuss that in full. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding any kind of videos that we upload. Okay, so first let me start with the Infosys one. So Infosys is hiring for the process executive and they are looking forward for zero work experience people. That is completely freshers. Okay, and here graduates are the requirements. That is, any graduates can apply here. BPO training and the responsibilities will be excellent communication skills, working 24/7 shifts, 15 years of formal full-time education. That is 15 years in the sense they are expecting you to have a direct education. In the sense, there will be some of them who will be going to school just by like during our school days, like 10, 12, 11, then 8, 9, and all. There are some students and there are some type of graduation wherein you don't really go to the school. You just write the annual exam, that's all. Okay, so they want you to have formal 15 years of education and most of us will be having that. So that is what they expect. Ready to work in BPM environment and ready to relocate. So you can be relocated to any locations, any Infosys location. So you must be ready for that. And currently the location is available in Bangalore, but there are chances that you will be getting relocated. Okay, so this is a generic skill data. Here, since it's a BPO service, your willingness to be in this section and your basic communication skill. Okay, excellent communication skills in the sense when you communicate with the customers, they should be able to understand what you speak and you should be able to understand what they speak. That's all. Okay, it's not like you should be very pro at communication, but still this is the very basic skill that you should have. Okay, so this is applicable for any graduate. Like in most of the video comments we used to say that can you bring some job openings for BCom students, for BSc students, for arts and all. So this is for any graduate, BCom, BA, BTech, BA, whoever. Okay, any graduates can apply to this position and they want immediate joinees. So I mean graduated students, so anyone who have graduated can apply it here, irrespective of which batch you belong to, irrespective of which graduation type you belong to. Okay, and the starting CTC provided at Infosys is around 3.3 plus LPS, so you'll be getting something around that. Okay, now to apply for that, you need to sign in and you have the option and you will be getting applied with that. You need to create your profile and go with that. So you can click on this apply and continue with it. So once you log in with it, if you have already a profile, you make use of the same profile by making necessary changes by customizing it according to the job role as process executive. If not, you can start a fresh new profile by uploading your resume, your personal skills and everything. Now, after applying to that, please have a look at your mail. They'll contact through mail. Okay, so this is about the Infosys opportunity. And next we have an opening from Google to discuss. So once more, I'm repeating, don't ever think that Google is a very difficult zone to get in. Only pro can get in. Average students, average graduates with average marks has also made their history getting into Google just because they are very confident in their knowledge. Okay, so anyone who's confident enough in your knowledge and ready to polish your skills can try apply it in here. Okay, so the locations available is Bengaluru, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, that is basically Karnataka and Hyderabad. Okay, and a software engineer, university graduate, 2022 start. So here you can say minimum qualification is bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. So if you have a bachelor's degree, then that's fine. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, then equivalent practical experience is what they are looking forward for. Okay, now experience working with Unix or Linux, Windows or Mac environments, distributed system, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP or IP. So if you're a graduate, university graduate, very fond of this, then you might have digged into it, so that experience will definitely count in here. And experience programming in C++, Java or Python. So it's like they have put over or, so one or two, if you have very good in that, that's fine, that's pretty good to go here. So these are the minimum qualifications. So if you are a graduate with the very basic knowledge with the operating systems and has an experience in programming in the languages, very basic languages such as C++, Java or Python, then you have a room here. Okay, and preferred qualification will be master's degree or PhD. So according to the graduation type, even if it's the same kind of opening, according to the qualification criteria, according to your skill, that the project that you'll be handling or the exposure that you're getting will be completely different. Okay, so this is it, and you can say about the job. So these are the things that you will be performing out there. And responsibilities, you can see: research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offering, contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning, and search technologies, collaborate on scalability issue involving access to massive amount of data and information, solve challenges or programs that you are presented with. Okay, so these are the basic details. And yes, you can click on the apply button and continue with the application. So you can use the same application if you have already a profile, else you need to start very fresh new. So this is how you start. This is the required fields they have mentioned with the asterisk symbol. So your resume, your contact details, preferred name, nationality, higher education details, work experience if any, applying for your first job. As if you provide S, then you don't need to provide the other details. If no, you can provide the other details. Okay, that's it. And preferred location, then cover letter, it's optional, but it's good to have if you can impress with a cover letter. Okay, so and in here they haven't mentioned it's only for dispatches, this branch criteria. They just mentioned bachelor's degree or required practical experience. So 2022, you can also try applying to that, and any batches less than 2022 will go here. And basically, since it's very much related to the professional type or the computer science related things, BTech students will have a first go, because most of the things you will have a basic foundation for that. And if you are a non-computer science student, also if you are from others too, since they haven't mentioned particularly about this graduation specialization, you can try applying this if you are very confident in the qualifications mentioned. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria and application steps for this Google. So now discussing about the CTC details. So in Google, the estimated average for the software engineers around 16 LPA. So we can expect from 10 plus LPAs is greater than, obviously greater than that. This is just an estimation. So when you try into the sections, obviously you can assure very good CTC, but apart from that, your career security, your career growth, your career exposure should stay at first. Okay, so that's very important being a starter. If you are experienced with less than 5 years, then your first preference must always go to the exposure that you are getting. Okay, then only you can set up your career for the next 20 to 30 years. So that's very important. So make sure you concentrate upon that a lot. Okay, so I think all the things that I've discussed today is pretty much clear. If you still have any doubts, we'll meet in the comment section. If your doubts will be clarified, if your doubts are valid enough, and if that is apart from the things that I have discussed in this video. Okay, so once again reminding you to subscribe us and motivate us to bring the contents, and your suggestions regarding the contents also welcome to the comment section or via mail or somehow. Okay, just let us know somehow. Okay. So friends, until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.